Classification of anemia. Classification of anemia is anemia classified into two main parts. First one is microcytic anemia. The second one is macrocytic anemia. How can microcytic anemia perform when deficiency? When deficiency of iron is called microcytic anemia, and deficiency of vitamin B12 is called macrocytic anemia. Now, causes of anemia. Causes of anemia. The first cause of anemia is deficiency of iron. When deficiency of iron comes, then the anemia become or perform. Now, another one cause of anemia is deficiency of nutrients. Deficiency of nutrients. When deficiency of nutrients comes, then the anemia perform or come. Now, another one is deficiency of vitamin B12. Deficiency of vitamin B12 causes anemia. Then anemia become when deficiency of vitamin B12 become, then anemia is already become. Now, another one is blood loss. When blood loss from human in a lot amount, then anemia becomes.